Go, Martina. Go.
Oh my god, I can't. I think I might just go down that way again.
No, do it.
I can't do it in these shoes.
It's a rock. It's not moving.
No, but I can't put my foot on it in a comfortable way to balance myself.
I did it.
So? Okay. Oh my god, my bag. Okay.
Good job.
Then you walk up. Now I feel like a lost boy. What do you think?
What?
Like, what do you think that pixie dust is? Oh my god, have you ever seen Neverland? Not Neverland like with Johnny Depp. Are you recording? Oh fuck. Okay, it's a drug version of Peter Pan. And yeah, and like they live, like it's a lost boys and everything. And Tinkerbell, like she's just like this fucked up like chick that just looks totally like